Hi guys. Okay, this is Wednesday's Fundations video, and we're going to do two things, well maybe more than that, but we're going to start with drill sounds. After drill sounds, we're going to talk about base word and suffix and what happens when we have words that follow the floss rule. And then we're going to do some dictation, and then our lesson will be over for today. So let's get started with our drill sounds. O, E, home, O. A, N, fan, an. E, Pete, E. R, rat, X, fox, x. C, cat, k. J, jug, j. A, E, safe, A. Q, U, queen, f. And W, H, whistle, woof. U, E, mule, U up, C, H, chin, ch. P, pam, Z, zebra, z. U, E, rule, oo. T, talked. S, H, ship, sh. K, kite, D, dog, d. O, octopus, ah. E, ed, F, fun, S, snake, ooh, S, bugs, Z. T, H, the thumb. All right, let's do that one more time. T, H, the thumb, V. B, bat, B. G, game, G. S, snakes, I, itch, eh. Y, yellow, Y. W, wind, woo. H, hat, C, K, sock. M, man, L, lamp, ooh. V, van, I, E, pine, I. A, apple, A. L, ball, all. All right, I'm gonna move my computer so that you can see my board. And we're gonna start with the word shells. And I want you to think to yourself, shells. Does that word have a suffix S on it? Shells. Are we talking about more than one shell? Yeah, we are talking about more than one shell, so there is a suffix S. So when we tap out the word shells, we're gonna take that S off so that we're only working with the base word. So if we take the S off, shells, take off that suffix, it becomes shell, talking about one shell. And let's tap out that word. Sh, a, ooh, shell. Ooh. But wait a minute, I hope there's yelling in your house happening that we have an F, L, or S after a short vowel. That means we put two. Okay, we have the base word, shell. Now this word follows the floss rule. Does that mean that we put a suffix S just like we would every other word? Yes. The suffix S gets put on a floss rule word the same way it does any other word. So shell becomes shells, meaning more than one shell. That's what that suffix S does. Now, I'd like you to take a second to write shells on your board. Sh, shell, the whole word, shells. And when you're finished writing it, I'd like you to underline the base word and circle the suffix. All right, let's do that together. The suffix we know is the S, and the base word is shell. Okay, shell. All right, let's do another word, and let's do the word Dog. Okay. Does dog have a suffix at the end? Dog. No, because are we talking about one dog or more than one dog? If I say dog, yeah, we're only talking about one, so there is no suffix. So let's tap out dog and write it. D-A-G, dog. And now let's write it on our board. Dog. Remember when you're making your D, you do the C first, then a D. I'll show you over here. C, then D. Okay. All right, let's do another word. The next word is maps. Maps. Look at those maps over there. Maps. Okay, is there a suffix S on this word, maps? Is the word talking about more than one? Yes. So there is a suffix S, so we need to take the suffix S off and tap out the base word. Maps becomes map. Tap it. Map. Write it. Oh, we forgot to say the whole word. So let's try again. Tap out the word map. Map. Say the whole word. Maps. And let's write it. And we can't forget that suffix S. And let's go ahead and underline the base word and circle the suffix. All right, clear your board. We're gonna do a few more words. All right, let's see. Let's try mills. Okay, mills. Like there were a lot of textile mills in the 1800s. Mills. Okay, is it talking about more than one? Yes. Is there a suffix S? Yes. So let's tap out only the base word. So mills, we take off the suffix, it becomes mill. Let's tap it. Mill. The whole word is mills. Let's write it. Now I hope that you realize that this is an FLRS after a short vowel. We have to put two, and then we can't forget that the whole word is mills. Okay. All right. Now I'd like you to, on your board, underline the base word and circle the suffix. That is what you should have on your board. Let's do another word, and then we're going, or two more words, and then we're going to do a sentence. All right, let's do ships. Does that word have a suffix at the end? Ships. Yes, it's talking about more than one ship. That means it has the S at the end. So in order to tap it out, we're going to take off that S. Ships becomes ship. Let's tap it out. Ship. Let's write it. And we can't forget the whole word is ships. We're talking about more than one ship. And now that you've written it, please underline the base word and circle the suffix. And that is exactly what your board should look like. Nice, neat handwriting, letters all between the lines and where they should be. The H is the only letter going up to the skyline, guys. Okay. The P is the only letter that goes below the grass line. Make sure yours matches mine. Our last word is going to be tubs. Tubs. Now that suffix, that is a word with a suffix. That suffix sounds like a Z. That suffix S sounds like a Z. So let's do tubs. Take off the suffix, tap out the base word. B. Tub, the whole word is tubs. Let's write it. B. The whole word is tubs. Now, can we underline the base word and circle the suffix? Excellent. All right, we're going to do one sentence and then our Fundations lesson is going to be over for today. All right, the sentence is, the shells are red. The shells are red. I'm going to give you a second to get started on your sentence. The shells are red. I don't know if you can hear Hannah's music in the background. She's listening to Frozen, I think, in Spanish right now. Okay, let's get started. The shells are red. I am writing a sentence, and I'm going to get started with the word the. But this is going to be the first thing I write in a sentence, so it needs to be a capital T. The shells. I hear that suffix at the end, shells. I'm going to take it off and tap out the word. Sh. Oh, shell. Let's write it. Sh. Oh. Now I remember from when we did this word just a few minutes ago, this is a floss rule word. FL or S after a short vowel. You put 2. But are we done? No. Because we're not talking about one shell. This sentence is talking about more than one shell, so we need to add that suffix S. The whole word was shells. The shells are. R is A-R-E. R, red. D. Red. D. Don't forget your period at the end. Now, I'd like you, once your sentence is done, the shells are red. Check to see, do I have all the words? The shells are red. Yes, I do. Do I have a capital at the beginning? Yes, I do. A period at the end? Yes, I do. Do I have spaces? Yes, I do. And do I have all lowercase letters where they're supposed to be? Yes, I do. Now I'd like you to take a second to underline the base word and the suffix, and circle the suffix S in the word that has the suffix S. Shells was our word that had the suffix S, so I'm going to underline the base word and I'm going to circle that suffix. Once you have that done, you are all set for Fundations today. So I will see you next time with tomorrow's Fundations video. Bye, guys.